Python coding. Welcome to lesson number 8. Python turtle, drawing and coloring a star. We're going to build on what we learned last time with polygons. Here is a sneak peek of what you will create today. Today we will use Python turtle to draw a star and color it. This builds on what we learned last time with polygons like pentagons and octagons. Objectives. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to create a turtle in Python, use a loop to repeat actions, draw a 5-point star using angles, add color to a shape using fill, and explain why we use 144 degrees for a star. Don't worry if it feels new. We will go step by step together. Before we get started, as always, if you get stuck, check spelling, check parentheses, check indentation, check quotation marks, read the error message out loud, convert a math input to float, and remember, Python is a case-sensitive language. Today you will review how Turtle works, learn how to draw a star, use a loop to repeat steps, add color to our star, and test and customize our code. First, we'll review, then build a star step by step, and finally customize it. What we learned before? Forward moves the turtle. Right and left turn the turtle. Shapes are made using angles, and loops repeat steps. Last time we made shapes like pentagons and octagons using angles. Let me show you again how it works. You can practice as we go along. Step 1. Import turtle. Type this into Python. You can pause the video while you type. This code tells Python we want to use turtle. Step 2. Create the turtle. Type this into Python. This creates our drawing pin. You can pause the video again while you type. Step 3. Set the speed. Type this into Python. This controls how fast the turtle draws. You can pause the video again while you type. Now let's work on creating that star. Star versus polygon. Are you as excited as I am to get started? Well, let's get moving. How a star is different. A pentagon uses small turns. A star uses larger turns. The angle for a star is 144 degrees. The turtle turns 144 degrees after each line. What to draw in PowerPoint? 2 connected lines. Label the angle 144 degrees. This angle creates the star shape. Drawing one part. Type this into Python. This is one side of the star. You can pause the video again while you type. Repeat with the loop. Type this code into Python. This tells the computer to repeat that 5 times to create a star. You can pause the video again while you type. How the star is drawn. The turtle draws 5 lines, turning each time. What to draw? Star shape. Arrow showing direction. And label lines 1 to 5. Change line color. Type this code into Python. This changes the outline color. You can pause the video again while you type. Fill the star. Listen to Python. Begin fill starts coloring, and end fill finishes it. You can pause the video again while you type. How fill works. One star without fill is just the outline only. One star with fill is a solid color inside. Code order is important. Begin fill has to be before the drawing, and end fill has to be after it. This is the full code that should be typed into Python. Here are some common mistakes. Missing begin fill or end fill, wrong angle, loop not repeating 5 times, and indentation errors. Here is a challenge for you. Change the color, change the size, change the speed, and try new colors. And a bonus! Change the background color. Type this code into Python. You can pause the video again while you type. This is the end result. What we learned today: loops repeat actions, angles create shapes, fill adds color, and code order matters. I hope you enjoyed your lesson. If you have questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.